I'm Benjamin. I work in the rocket system group. I've been at Bears for over 3 years now, and currently I'm also leading the rocketry group in its road to EuRoC. EuRoC is a competition between student teams in the field of rocketry. There are 2 goals: to reach either 3 kilometers or 9 kilometers. We are in the 3-kilometer category.
My name is Matti Keller. Within the rocketry group, I'm working on 2 of the, non-mandatory subsystems, which are our payloads as well as our active flight control system, our airbrake. A club like Bears offers us the possibility to have an idea and put it into reality and actually operate it in competitions like EuRoC, for example, which is what engineering is all about.
I'm Soyo. I'm part of rocketry mechanical here at Bears. Sponsors like Reflex are really important for us because we don't have any direct funding. Our club is entirely paid for by donations and sponsorships like these. And especially big donors like Reflex are really important because without these big amounts of money that we don't have otherwise, we couldn't afford things like the motor casings, the rocket motors, all the materials that we make our stuff out of.
Support from companies like Reflex means being able to make this dream come true, being able to build this rocket that we all want to build, and being able to get to Portugal to start the rocket and compete there.